pres. Yn y fideo hwn, dan ni'n mynd i ddysgu am bres. In this video, we're going to learn about money. Both pint, meaning pound, and ceiniog, meaning pence, are feminine nouns. So the feminine numbers, dwy, tair, and pedair, are used with them. Enghraifft, dwy bint, dwy geiniog, tair pint, tair ceiniog, pedair pint, pedair ceiniog. As you know, dwy causes a treiglad meddal, a soft mutation. Dwy bint, dwy geiniog. And chwe causes a treiglad llais, an aspirate mutation. Chwe phint, chwe cheiniog. As with other nouns, we use the singular forms pint and ceiniog with the numbers yn Gymraeg. Enghraifft, 10 pint, £10. Da iawn. Rwan, look at this table and repeat the amounts. Dwedwch ar fy ôl i. Dwy bint, dwy geiniog, tair pint, tair ceiniog, pedair pint, pedair ceiniog, pum pint, pum ceiniog, chwe phint, chwe cheiniog, 10 pint, 10 ceiniog, 20 pint, 20 ceiniog, 30 pint, 30 ceiniog. Bendigedig. To ask how much something is, we use faint. Dwedwch ar fy ôl i. Repeat the following examples after me. Faint ydy'r rhain? How much are these? Dwy bint yr un. £2 each. Faint ydy'r rheina? How much are those? Chwe phint yr un. £6 each. Faint ydy hwn? How much is this? 5 pint, 50 ceiniog. £5.50. Da iawn. Pob hwyl i chi efo'r gweithgareddau. Cofiwch, da chi'n medru gwylio'r fideo hwn eto I adolygu. Good luck with the activities, and remember you can watch this video again if you wish to revise.